Let's eat. Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today, I'm going to be making pumpkin muffins using only 2 ingredients. That's right. So, if you're ready, let's get started. So the ingredients you're going to need are pumpkin puree, a 15-ounce can, and you're going to need a pumpkin spice cake mix or a spice cake mix, or you can use chocolate or yellow cake mix. I chose the almond flour because it's better for me, and I want to try it out and see how it works. And these are all the ingredients inside this flour mix. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this quick and easy but yummy dessert. And we're going to go ahead and open up our flour, and we're going to put it in the bowl. Make sure you use all the contents in the package. Now it's not going to turn out like your normal muffin, and it's not going to come out looking like your normal muffin, only because this is almond flour and we are only using pumpkin puree as the base, and the pumpkin puree will take the place of the water, the egg, the butter, different things like that. And this is a really like kind of like a healthy treat for you, especially if you're doing like certain type of healthy regimen and you want to get rid of certain things in your everyday diet, as so eggs or dairy. So go ahead and blend up your batter, and if you want, you can use a electric blender. It's up to you. They both do well. So of course I had to be extra and add in something a little bit more sweet. So I'm going to add in a cup of chocolate morsels just to make it fun and festive. You don't have to if you don't want to, or you can. And you can also add in very ripe bananas as well, and that will take it over the top. Or you could just stick with the basic 2 ingredients. Be sure to fold in your chocolate morsels into your batter. That way when we are scooping up the batter to put it in the muffin pan, we can get all those yummy morsels and we're not crushing them as well. All right, now it's time to put the batter in the muffin pans. Woo woo. I went ahead and lined the muffin pans with the foil paper, and also I'm going to spray the paper as well to be sure that these muffins do not stick whatsoever. I'm setting my timer for 18 minutes to start off, and this is how they're going to come out. I did add on another 5 minutes, so if you feel like that they are not to your liking, then go ahead and add on a few more minutes to your muffins. Guys, here they come. They are nice and warm. I let them sit for a moment to cool down just a little bit. Those chocolate morsels have melted. Some have melted a lot and some are still not so melted, which makes it even better. You can bite into some chunks of chocolate. Now you notice how it said they won't look like the normal basic muffin, but they still are a muffin, but just not your perfect average muffin. And it's only because of the different ingredients with the flour mix. And like I said, this is a little bit healthier choice for me, and it might not be healthy for you, but if it is, then give it a try. If not, like I said, go ahead and get the spice cake mix. I think it's Duncan Hines, or get you a yellow cake or a chocolate cake, and this will work as well. Enjoy these muffins, guys. Happy fall and all things pumpkin. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.